NASA traces source of mysterious fast radio bursts sending signals to Earth. CBS News. When and how to see the lunar eclipse, and yes, the supermoon. CBC.ca. Doctors said this Quebec man would die of COVID-19. His family had other ideas. CBC.ca. Scientists restore partial sight in blind man using optogenetic therapy. The Hindu. Algoma Steel signs merger deal, gains $306 million in capital, sue today. Today's coronavirus news. Canada set to receive fewer vaccines this week. Quebec lifts last remaining emergency lockdown. Toronto Star. U.S. bill allowing Alaska cruises to resume while bypassing Canada signed into law. globalnews.ca. Gold continues to gain value and inches closer to $1,900. Kitco News. Biden charade latest Pallister lie to Manitobans. Winnipeg Free Press. A little kindness helps Massachusetts woman claim $1 million lottery win. CBC.ca.